First, let's install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu. Open your GNOME terminal. Type sudo snap install code -- classic and press enter. This will download and install VS Code with the necessary permissions. Once it's done, we're ready to set up C++.
Next, we'll install the C/C++ extension in VS Code. Open VS Code and go to the Extensions tab. Search for C/C++ by Microsoft. Click Install. This extension gives us IntelliSense, debugging, and code navigation for C and C++ programs. Now, let's check if the C++ compiler is installed. In the GNOME terminal, type g++-version and press Enter. If it shows a version number, you're ready to go. If it says command not found, don't worry. Type sudo apt update and press Enter. Then type sudo apt install build essential and press Enter. This installs G++ and all the tools we need to build C++ programs. After installing the compiler, restart VS Code. This makes sure it recognizes all the tools. Next, open a terminal, either in GNOME or VS Code. Navigate to the folder where you want to save your C++ files. For example, type cd/your username/documents/codes and press Enter. Now, let's create a new file in VS Code. Type or paste your C++ program into the editor. Save the file with a .cpp extension. For example, save it as NAME.cpp in the folder we just opened. This file will contain all the code we want to compile and run. Finally, let's compile and run our program. In the terminal, type g++ name.cpp -o name and press Enter to compile it. Then type /name and press Enter to run the program. You will see the output of your C++ program appear right in the terminal. So it seems it is easier to do in Ubuntu than in Windows, I think. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.